Today we are going to talk about the dr.dermal MicroRetinol 5 Rich Repair. This is our premium retinol product. I guess the first question is, what is retinol? Why do we need it? Why use retinol in your skincare routine? Retinol is a form of vitamin A, and vitamin A products, they make up a class of compounds called retinoids. And retinol, retinaldehyde, and retinoic acid are forms that we use that have been proven to deliver really incredible anti-aging benefits. Now, with each form of vitamin A that you get, there are benefits and side effects. So with most compounds, the higher the potency, the higher the potential for side effects. And this is true with the retinoids. So retinol, when it's applied to your skin, will actually be metabolized into retinaldehyde, which in turn will be metabolized into retinoic acid, which is the bioavailable form of vitamin A that your skin will use. So retinol can deliver really impressive benefits with cellular turnover being improved. It will stimulate collagen synthesis. It will improve the collagen content in your skin. And this is really important because collagen loss is the primary driver of the symptoms of aging. So if you think about the skin, you have the thin layer on top called the epidermis, and beneath that, you have a thicker elastic layer called the dermis. And the dermis is made of about 80% collagen. So with age, we start to lose collagen. In fact, after the age of 20, we lose anywhere from 1 to 2% of collagen per year. And over time, this becomes quite significant, because if you steadily lose 1 to 2% a year after the age of 20, by the age of 40, you could have lost 40% of your collagen. So this becomes quite serious. And what's really important is that these changes are predictable. We know that we will lose collagen if we don't do something about it. And retinol is one of the products that gives us the opportunity to address this and stem this decline, because it actually stimulates collagen synthesis. So collagen in the dermis works like the foundation under a house. If you think of it this way, when you build a house, you first lay the foundation. And when the foundation starts to settle, or if the foundation is compromised, you can develop cracks in the building itself. And this is due to the foundation settling or degrading. So the same thing happens in your skin. With time, as the collagen starts to deteriorate, you start to develop fine lines and wrinkles because the underlying structure in the skin is compromised. So with the addition of retinol, you can improve the collagen content and quantity in your skin. So our retinol, our MicroRetinol 5, contains 5% micro-encapsulated retinol. We use a micro-encapsulated retinol because this protects against irritation and sensitivity. It allows for a time release of the retinol because the encapsulation will slowly dissolve in the water of your skin, releasing the retinol molecule. It's also important to encapsulate retinol because a retinol molecule can be quite prone to oxidation. So by microencapsulating it, you protect it so that the full potency of the retinol is realized when it interacts with your skin. So we use retinol because retinol provides the best balance between result and limited side effects. As you go towards more potent forms like retinaldehyde and retinoic acid, the results can be very dramatic, but the side effects can also be very dramatic. For this reason, retinoic acid is only available on prescription and is usually used with more severe skin conditions such as severe acne. Our MicroRetinol also contains some other beneficial ingredients that aren't usually found in other retinoid products, because our philosophy at dr.dermal is to provide you the best possible product that will deliver results with a single use. So not only do you get the benefits of 5% of micro-encapsulated retinol, which is really quite a significant amount, but the other ingredients in the product really help deliver on improving the quality of your skin. So our MicroRetinol 5 also contains skin-identical lipids, ceramide, cholesterol, and fatty acids. So skin-identical lipids are a very essential component of your skin's lipid barrier. So one of the main functions of your skin is to act as a barrier to the element. And The skin-identical lipids in your skin's barrier serve this function to make your skin water-resistant and waterproof. Now, with age, the lipid barrier does start to deteriorate, and the lipid barrier can also be compromised by other factors like the environment, the relative humidity, hot baths or hot showers or prolonged heat exposure, air conditioning. All of these things can help degrade the skin's barrier. So it is important that we supplement and add back some of these skin identical lipids to restore and repair this barrier to ensure that the skin maintains its barrier function. When the barrier function is maintained, you reduce permeability and irritation. Another ingredient in our MicroRetinol 5 is peptides. So peptides are little building blocks of protein, and collagen is a protein. So if we want to encourage collagen synthesis or the synthesis of any other proteins in our skin, we need an available pool of peptide, and by supplementing with these peptides in the product, it helps make these peptides available for uptake when the skin is in a state of rebuilding and repair. Our MicroRetinol 5 also contains antioxidants, and antioxidants are very useful, particularly in skincare, because one of the leading causes of aging is oxidative stress. So an example of oxidative stress or an oxidation reaction, a nice way to visualize it is if you think of how metal rusts or how an apple will turn brown after you've cut it open. These are oxidation reactions. Oxidation is a chain reaction because a free radical will steal an electron from an otherwise stable bond, and in that process it creates another free radical which perpetuates the cycle. So it's a chain reaction that will continue unless it is stopped. So an antioxidant is something that stops the reaction because it bonds with the free radical and it stops the chain reaction. So our MicroRetinol 5 has other antioxidants in it to reduce oxidative stress in your skin. Another important ingredient in our MicroRetinol 5 is hyaluronic acid. And hyaluronic acid is a compound that really aids with moisture retention within the skin. So hyaluronic acid is something that's called a hygroscopic humectant. Hygroscopic means that it attracts water from the environment, and being a humectant is something that holds on to that moisture. So hyaluronic acid has the unique ability to hold 1,000 times its weight in water, making it very useful in maintaining the moisture levels within your skin. So all in all, our MicroRetinol 5 is a complete retinol product. Not only does it deliver an incredibly powerful dose of micro-encapsulated retinol, but it has a host of other ingredients in it that restore and repair your skin in a holistic way so that you get the maximum benefits of the vitamin A skin renewal plus the restoration benefits of the other ingredients. So if you found this information useful and informative, please share it with anybody who may be interested in anti-aging or who is interested in trying out a retinol product. If you'd like to check out our products or purchase any of our products, they are all available on our website. The link is in the video description. We are also available on Takealot for South African consumers, and we are available on Amazon.com for customers in the United States. Let us know if you enjoyed this. If you have any other queries, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.